Hello there, I'm Yvonne de Celis, coming to you on YDCtv. It is almost 9 p.m. It is Wednesday, April 3rd, and I'm just doing a quick reshoot of what will be a short-ish energy healing video. Before I get started on that, please, if you think of it, there will eventually be a little subscribe button. I think it's going to show up right around here somewhere, a little red circle. If you could subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. It's free to do. YouTube will just give you occasional notifications if I make changes to my channel. It won't tell you every single time unless you click the bell icon next to the word subscribe, which I don't recommend you do unless you don't mind getting bugged all the time by YouTube. You can also leave a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. Any sort of interactivity at all is very much appreciated. Anyway, that said, I want to show you two quick things you can do for calming your nerves. I'm calling it that because the very first one I want to show you, it's by Prune Harris, and that's what she calls the exercise, calming your nerves. It's a fabulous exercise. I love it. I love the way it feels. I just want to show you that you guys like this one. What you want to do at the very back of your head, let me actually get up so I can try to show you where this is that I'm talking about. I'm hoping you guys will be able to see this. It's at the very back of your head. I'm going to lift my hair up right where your head and your neck join. There is a little soft spot. It almost should feel like a little soft indentation. Let me just come back around here. Excuse me for a second while I rearrange the chairs now. Okay, here we go. So now with both your hands in the back, you want to feel once again right where your vertebrae from your spine meet with the back of the bottom of your skull. There's a little indent. So you can either hold that down with your middle finger or you can hold it down with your three fingers, index, middle, and thumb. So you want to press in there. You don't have to press in super hard, just press in just a little bit. And then at the front, you are going to take these three fingers and you're going to take your middle finger and your thumb and put them by the corners of your eyes. And then this index finger is going to go right in between the brow, right here, right where the third eye spot is. And with these three fingers, you just want to pinch in, not super hard. It doesn't have to hurt. You want to stay comfortable because you want to relax throughout this exercise. So you just want to hold in, press in a little bit, not to the point of pain. And if you want to hold this pose for several minutes, you can. And you can also rest your elbow from one arm on a spot. If you want, you can do this on the bed. You can do this lying down, standing up. That's up to you. And the best breathing method here is to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth if you can. If not, just breathe however is most comfortable. So let's take a couple of breaths. One more. And out. You can end that exercise there, or if you feel like you've gone through too much of a shift, or if you want further calming, you can now do figure eights around your eyes. You can go all the way up to the hairline, and back down, under the other eye, up to the hairline, and back down. And you can do the figure eights as long as you want to. And whether you do the figure eights or not is up to you. I just find this to be very calming. You can even do this one by itself. So that is the end of that first exercise. I'm going to just rub my hands together and shake them out to get rid of any negative energy. I just want to show you one other one. It's very, very quick, much faster than that first one. So for this one, you take your three fingers on the one hand, index, middle, and thumb, left hand, right hand, up to you. But you're going to put that at that point in the back, that spot we were just at, that power point. And the other hand, you're going to put on your forehead and leave these four fingers at the very top of your head. The thumb, you can put it this way on the side, or you can just leave it out, whatever's comfortable. This is another one, you're doing this to try to get sleepy, so you just want to be comfortable. And same thing too, you can bring an elbow down and rest it if you want to, or you can rest this one, or you can just stay in this position and just take a few breaths. Let's just take two right here. One more for now. And we can let it go there. Rub your hands together. Shake them out. That one you can do as long as you want. You can take as many breaths as you want. I'm not going to do more than two because that one honestly knocks me out. I find that to be most effective if I'm trying to go to bed at night and I find I can't shut my brain off. That's a good way to do it. and I find taking about 4 breaths usually does the trick for me with that one. So anyway, I really hope those exercises were helpful for you. I will be back in a few days with some more. Once again, thank you so much for coming. Namaste, peace and light. And